Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we're gonna whip up a well-known Mexican avocado-based dip. In other words, authentic, chunky guacamole. First, get your avocados ready and halve them. We are using 2 large avocados. If you have small to medium-sized ones, get 4 to 5 of them. Now get a medium bowl, de-stone your avocados, scoop out the flesh into the bowl and roughly mash them with a fork. Get 2 regular-sized tomatoes, quarter them and take out the seeds, and chop them. Otherwise, it would make your guacamole too watery. Take 1 whole lime and slice it in half. Dice 1 whole small to medium-sized yellow onion. Now roughly chop about a handful of coriander. For you, our American friends, coriander is cilantro. Take 1 jalapeno, de-seed it and chop it roughly. Take your mashed avocados and add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, squeeze 1 whole lime in, add tomatoes, onion, coriander, and the jalapeno. Now mix it all well together, give it a try, and adjust the taste to your liking. Bake some tortilla chips according to our seasoned baked tortilla chips recipe, link is in the top right corner. And your homemade, authentic, chunky guacamole is ready to be enjoyed. The key is not to be too fancy or unique. This is the guacamole you should strive to make. Let us know your favorite version of this dip down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching, take care, and don't forget that with us, you can veganize anything.